What's up guys, Brett here from FBAExcel. I wanted to talk a minute about keyword abuse and black hat sellers. They will get in, especially your other marketplaces that you aren't selling, and take over your listing, add restricted keywords, and you'll just have a heck of a time with Seller Central getting your listing backing up. It's really a literal nightmare. And we've had a few users recently this year run into this problem, and they asked us to see if we could do something about it. So we've added a feature in our Chrome extension for the category listing report, and it's going to actually allow you to upload these automatically. So the idea is if you have multiple marketplaces, you can upload your category listing report and cycle these. The more you cycle, the more kind of quote unquote authority you're going to get. And if anybody does do any funny business, you're going to be able to overwrite their changes really quickly. So it's pretty advanced. If you haven't messed with your flat files or category listing files, definitely you're going to have to do a fair bit of research before you kind of learn the ins and outs of that. But if you do have experience with that, what I'm going to talk about in this quick video will make a lot of sense. So here's just kind of a quick example of what it looks like. It's basically a spreadsheet format of your entire inventory. It's got all your title, search terms, images, categories, just everything's in there, prices. So you can really do a lot of interesting changes and edits in your category listing report and upload those in bulk. And typically you just do those manually whenever you want. You'd also want to back up with this file periodically in case anything ever goes wrong. But with this uploader that we have, we can essentially set up a schedule. And I basically just got a category listing file or flat file saved in my Google Drive, and I've got it on iterative mode, so it's going to upload this same file every hour. And this one's really helpful if you get into a pissing match with somebody that's trying to mess with your listing. You can just keep uploading this file. And does it work perfectly? We don't know yet. We've been testing it, and the uploads obviously work, but as far as getting attacked, we haven't had issues since we've started using it, so hopefully that's promising. But you can kind of see it's pretty simple. You're just going to upload a URL, pick the days, and we're finding really cool other use cases for this. So the first one's just increasing your listing catalog authority on all of your products and in other markets as well, making sure you have all the attributes in your category listing report filled out so these black hat sellers can't come in and type in pesticides and adult related keywords. It can just be a royal mess. So that's kind of step one. We've also have some really slick use cases for price testing. So if you want to do like a week-long test and say on Thursday and Friday you want to drop your price to try to gain some BSR, you can automate stuff like that. Main image testing, you actually can upload and switch out images with your category listing report. So that's pretty cool. And then also if you have, say, products that just aren't performing well and you're really trying to drive rank and switch in and out keywords and search terms and things like that, you can rotate with editing multiple files and just setting up the title may be different, the search terms may be different. So just a lot of use cases, and I'm sure there's a multitude of others, but it's pretty slick. Yeah, you just set it up and you'll have your category listing upload UI here. We'll just have your uploads as they go. That's pretty much it, guys. If you haven't checked out the Chrome extension and the other FBAExcel tools, head over to FBAExcel.io. We've got a 60% off your first month deal going right now. A lot of tools from PPC, search query, performance. We've got the Chrome extension, keyword research, metrics, books. Pretty much do anything you need in an FBA business with FBAExcel tools. So check them out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.